estimate definition, estimate in a sentence, estimate pronunciation, estimate meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of estimate. 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 Estimate as a verb means to calculate approximately the size, cost, speed, or other value of something. Common usages in academic writing: estimate the effects, estimate the speed, estimate the cost, estimate the duration, to estimate how much. Example sentences: estimate verb. The computer model was able to estimate the storm's wind speed and direction accurately. Example sentence number 2. It was estimated that the sea levels would have risen by 1.2 meters by the end of 2018. The common academic writing variation is underestimated, verb. The projected cost of renovation was underestimated by both contractors. Please write a sentence using estimate in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know estimate's pronunciation, estimate's meaning, and how to use estimate in a sentence. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.